Hello, and welcome to Iram Kitchen and Vlogs. Today, we will make two different types of smoothie. These are perfect for breakfast or lunch or as a quick drink. This is the Strawberry Banana Smoothie recipe. Let's get started. So we'll need one banana, and we will cut it into slices. Now we will take 1 cup of frozen strawberries. Add the fruits to the blender jug. Now we will add 2 cups of milk. Then add 1 tablespoon of honey to sweeten it. Then add 2 generous scoops of strawberry ice cream. Now we will blend it into a smoothie. Now our delicious banana strawberry smoothie is ready, and we can serve it. It tastes amazing, and as you saw, it was so easy to make this. Now on to the next recipe. We will now make this delicious date and nut smoothie, which is a yummy way to boost your energy, perfect for a morning drink to tackle the day's tasks. Let's get started. Add 1 tablespoon of raisins, and then 1 tablespoon of cashews, then 1 tablespoon of walnuts. Next, we will add 1 tablespoon of almonds, and a banana, which we will slice. Then, we will also add 4 pitted dates to sweeten our smoothie, and 3 figs. I'm using dried figs, but you also can use fresh ones. Then add 2 cups of milk. And then add 1 tablespoon of honey. Now, pour these in the blender jug and blend well into a smoothie. Now, our healthy, energy-boosting milkshake is ready. We can serve it, garnished with chopped nuts or dates, whichever you prefer. You just saw 2 different smoothie recipes, each extremely flavorful and delish. Well, I hope you liked the recipes and this video. If you did, please share, like this video, comment, and subscribe. I hope you have a fabulous day. Bye.